Welcome to my in-depth review of Betterment, one of the most popular personal finance and robo-advisory platforms available today. If you've been considering using Betterment to manage your investments or plan for retirement, this video will provide you with everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Let's begin by exploring what Betterment is all about. It's a robo-advisor designed to simplify investing for people of all financial backgrounds. Whether you're a beginner just starting your financial journey or someone with years of investment experience, Betterment aims to provide a straightforward, automated approach to wealth management. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate and set up their accounts. Upon signing up, you're guided through a series of questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. This allows Betterment to create a personalized investment plan tailored to your needs. One of the standout features is goal-based investing. You can set up multiple financial goals, such as saving for a house, retirement, or an emergency fund, and Betterment allocates your investments accordingly. It uses advanced algorithms to manage your portfolio, ensuring that your assets are diversified and optimized for growth. Betterment offers a range of account types, including taxable accounts, traditional and Roth IRAs, and even trust accounts. The platform automatically rebalances your portfolio to maintain your target allocation, saving you the hassle of manual adjustments. Another impressive feature is tax loss harvesting, which can help reduce your taxable income by selling certain securities at a loss and reinvesting in similar assets. This strategy is especially beneficial for those in higher tax brackets. The fees are competitive, with a standard 0.25% annual management fee for the digital plan. If you opt for the premium plan, which includes access to certified financial planners, the fee increases to 0.4%. There are no hidden charges or trading fees, which is a significant advantage over traditional financial advisors. Betterment also provides educational resources, such as articles and tools, to help users better understand personal finance and investing. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build financial literacy while growing their wealth. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, Betterment offers a range of customization options. You can adjust your asset allocation, exclude specific industries or companies, and even create socially responsible portfolios. The mobile app is highly rated and offers the same functionality as the desktop version. You can easily monitor your account, track progress towards your goals, and make adjustments on the go. One potential drawback is that Betterment's returns are not guaranteed, as they depend on market performance. However, its focus on long-term investing and diversification helps mitigate risks. Overall, Betterment provides a powerful, user-friendly platform for anyone looking to simplify their finances and invest wisely. It's ideal for those who want to take advantage of automation while enjoying a personalized investment experience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.